Hey, what's up? It's Alex. Today, let's look at the connected readings in a short dialogue I wrote where somebody is trying to get their camera repaired. Let's have a look. Hi, I'm having some trouble with my camera. Some trouble. I'm having some trouble. Some is kind of reduced and connected to the word trouble here. I'm having some trouble. Some trouble. I'm having some trouble with my camera. When I turn it on, there's a tap here, and in this text there's actually a lot of these taps. It on. It makes. Now here, before the ah in on, the T turned into a tap. But before the in makes, the T turns into a glottal stop. When I turn it on, it makes a sound like it's gonna turn on. Here, going to connects into gonna. Like it's gonna turn on. It makes a sound like it's gonna turn on. But then, here the T in but connects to the th in then. You can also do a glottal stop before the th sound. But then the green light here just blinks. The green light here, and so the T in light turns into a glottal stop. Light here just blinks. Now the T after S disappears. Just blinks. But then the green light here just blinks and it shuts off. And. So here and turns into an and connects to it. And then the T in it turns into a glottal stop. Just blinks and it shuts off. I didn't drop it or get it wet or anything. Here we have didn't drop. So there's a glottal stop after the n in didn't. Didn't, glottal stop. Drop it or. Now before or, we turn into a tap with that T. Drop it or. The vowel in or actually reduces to Drop it or get it wet. Get it wet. Here the T in get turns into a tap, and the T in it turns into a glottal stop. Get it wet. Now, I'm saying get it wet using a glottal stop there because that's the end of my little sentence section. But in this text, it's get it wet or anything. We connect the wet to or. Again, we reduce or into and we make that T into a tap. I didn't drop it or get it wet or anything. It was working fine. Glottal stop before the w in was. It was working fine. And then we connect and then by removing that D and connecting the n sound to the th sound. And then I put it in my bag. Put it in. 2 tap T's there. Put it in. Put it in my bag. And the next time, again we take out that D, and the next time, connect those 2 T's together in next time, and the next time I took it out, it was like this. Took it out, a tap T there for the end of it and out, and then a glottal stop before was. The next time I took it out, it was like this. Do you know if I can fix it? Do you know if I can fix it? So know if. We could kind of do a w sound. Know if. We could make a w sound with our lips here. Or we could just relax our lips and say know if, with no lip movement at all. Do you know if, know if, kind of connecting know and if into knowf. Do you know if I can fix it? Do you know if I can fix it? Do you know if I can fix it? So here, can turns into a very reduced gun. I can fix it. Now finally, one last glottal stop. Fix it. It. And glottal stop at the end of it.
整体练习一遍.
Hi, I'm having some trouble with my camera. When I turn it on, it makes a sound like it's gonna turn on, but then the green light here just blinks and it shuts off. I didn't drop it or get it wet or anything. It was working fine, and then I put it in my bag, and the next time I took it out, it was like this. Do you know if I can fix it?